Hello everyone, hope you're having a fantastic day, and today we're going to make mint chocolate mousse. So this isn't real mousse, it's a bit of a fake mousse. It's basically just mint chocolate flavored whipping cream, but either way it's still delicious. So we have half a cup of cold whipping cream or heavy cream depending on where you're from and how you say that. And then we have 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. And we have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and you can use any kind of extract you want. So if you want vanilla extract, it'll be nice and more just chocolate, whatever kind you desire, and then a pinch of salt to finish it off, because it makes the chocolate taste much more strong. So all we're going to do is we're going to whip this up with an electric mixer, and that'll be it. So I'll see you when that's done. And just like that, we're done. So all I've done is I've taken our lovely stiff peaked mousse and I've scooped it into some nice little glasses, so now we can try them. And it's just light and airy and it's super, super good. So I hope you guys try this one because it's amazing. It is so good and it's so minty, and you absolutely should give this one a try. If you don't like mint, just put vanilla in instead, but regardless, give this one a try because it's just so simple and so fast to do. And one thing about this though is that since it's basically just whipped cream, it does not keep well. So you can't put this in the fridge and eat it a couple days later, so you'll have to eat it that day for sure. But definitely whip it up if you get the chance, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!